In this video, we listed the 5 best headphones for DJs on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Oneodio Monitor 60 Headphone. The Oneodio Monitor 60 wired headphones are designed to meet the demands of professional audio production, catering to DJs and audio pros with high-res audio certification for reference sound quality. Featuring 50mm drivers with a wider cavity, these headphones offer a deep and finely tuned audio experience suitable for audiophiles. The ergonomic over-ear design ensures comfort during extended use, thanks to membrane protein earmuffs and a soft leather headband. The headphones come with versatile connectivity options, including multiple detachable cables for different purposes, and the Port technology allows for easy music sharing. With a foldable and swivelable design, the Monitor 60 headphones are portable and user-friendly for on-the-go use. The product also boasts a robust warranty, quick shipping, and encourages user feedback for satisfaction. Number 2. DT990 Pro Studio Headphone. The PYLV DT990 Pro headphones are over-the-ear wired headphones designed for a range of uses, including in internet bars, for gaming, mobile phones, and more. With a frequency response range of 5 to 35,000 Hz and sound isolation features, these headphones offer a high-quality audio experience. The headphones come with memory foam pads for comfort, a detachable audio cable for convenience, and options for different jack adapters. While they do not support wireless connectivity or have a built-in voice assistant, they do feature active noise cancellation for an immersive listening experience. With a mainland China origin and a brand name of PYLV, these headphones cater to different needs, from daily use to specialized activities like DJing or studying. Number 3. ATH M50X Monitor Headphone. The PYLV Model M50X headphones are wired over-ear headphones designed with a focus on sound isolation and comfort. Made from a combination of metal, PVC, ABS, and leather, they weigh 285 g and have a line length of 3 m. These headphones have a frequency response range of 15 to 28,000 Hz, an impedance range of up to 32 ohms, and a sensitivity of 99 dB. They feature active noise cancellation, volume control, and playback control buttons. The package includes a user manual, various jack adapters, and a detachable audio cable with synthetic leather headphone pads. While they do not have built-in voice assistant or NFC technology, they offer a range of functions suitable for different activities such as gaming, music, sports, and office use. These headphones are not wireless and do not support memory cards or dedicated apps. They come from the brand PYLV and originate from mainland China. Number 4. Cowin E7 Pro Bluetooth Headphone. The Cowin E7 Pro headphones boast professional active noise cancelling technology, providing users with significant noise reduction in various environments. Featuring proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers, these headphones offer deep, accurate bass response and excellent sound quality. The upgraded soft ear cushions ensure comfort during long listening sessions, with the professional protein pads and 90-degree swiveling ear cups enhancing the overall experience. The built-in microphone delivers higher quality audio for hands-free calls, and the headphones offer a 30-hour playtime per full charge in Bluetooth mode. With wireless connectivity and a travel case for convenience, these headphones provide an immersive listening experience while prioritizing user comfort and audio quality. Number 5. EKSA E900BT Headphone. The EKSA E900BT Tri-Mode Wireless Gaming Headset is a versatile gaming headset designed for immersive gaming experiences. It offers 3 connection methods: 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and 3.5mm wired, allowing for flexibility across different devices such as PC, smartphone, and PlayStation. The headset features 50mm dual-chamber drivers for precise sound, a 360 degrees flexible retractable microphone with noise reduction technology, and customizable sound modes for gaming, music, and movies. With a comfortable ergonomic design, long-lasting battery life of up to 50 hours, and various connectivity options, the EKSA E900BT aims to enhance your gaming experience with high-quality audio and convenient features.